Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade strawberry jam. First, gather your ingredients: 2 pounds of fresh strawberries, 4 cups of sugar, 1 packet of fruit pectin, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You'll also need a large pot, canning jars, lids, and rings. We'll start by preparing the fruit, then cook the jam, and finally, properly seal it for storage. This guide will help you create delicious homemade jam. To begin, thoroughly wash and hull your 2 pounds of strawberries, removing the green tops. Lightly crush the berries to help release their natural juices. Next, combine these crushed strawberries with the 1/4 cup of lemon juice and the packet of pectin in your large pot. Stir everything together well. Place the pot over high heat and bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil, making sure to stir constantly to prevent sticking. Once your jam is cooked, it's time for canning. First, sterilize your canning jars and lids by boiling them in water for at least 10 minutes. Carefully ladle the hot jam into the sterilized jars, ensuring you leave about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, then place the lids and rings on securely. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to create a proper seal. After your jars have cooled and sealed, store them in a cool, dark place like a pantry. Properly sealed jars of homemade strawberry jam can last for up to 1 year. Once you open a jar, remember to refrigerate it and enjoy your delicious jam within about 3 weeks. It's perfect on toast, yogurt, or even as a topping for desserts. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.